you got the 2023 Honda Rebel 1100 DCT, the 2024 Honda Rebel 1100 T Touring. Well, you saw it in the video title. Yes, this is a sound test for the Vance Hines exhaust and then the Coffmans. So if you have a Honda Rebel and you are sick of that lame stock exhaust, which I don't blame you, this is the video for you, because today we're going to be testing out and looking at the Coffman's exhaust and the Vance Hines exhaust. But I'm going to let you guys decide for yourself. Sound, looks, and I hope this video helps you. So if you're in the market for an exhaust, maybe this can help you decide the two. I mean, yes, there's other exhausts out there, but if I've got two different exhausts on the same bike, let's test them out and go from there. As you see, it upsweeps, and it bolts on pretty much right back over here. They give you this cover plate, so which is pretty nice, so the band is not being seen. So there's a band under there, the clamp that holds it down, and then you attach this piece on, which actually underneath is held by pipe clamps. I actually love this exhaust. I love the sound of it. And there you go. Let's take a look at a Coffman's exhaust. So it's the Shorty, and it lives up to its name. It's definitely a shorter exhaust. It does clamp up right here. It is a black clamp. So before, you used to get a chrome pipe clamp, and they switched that out now to the black clamp. You also get a rivet, a couple of rivets. They want you to rivet it, so they want you to drill a hole in the stock exhaust. If you watch my videos, there is a video showing that. So they want you to rivet it. They tell you do not try to install it without doing the rivet. So this is riveted, and then you slip this on over that and attach the black clamp. And you can see they laser engraved their name. They removed the big old red emblem. It was like a cover plate they had on there with their logo. I liked it. A lot of people didn't like it, but I guess this one's a lot cleaner looking with the laser engraving. There's a look of the inside. The baffle is in this one. Also, the baffle can be removed. So the baffle is in the Vance Hines also, I should state. So let's test them both out. I'm gonna start the Vance Hines now. Give it some revs. All right, you heard the snap, crackle, and pops. I love that exhaust. That exhaust is probably my favorite exhaust ever. And I do want to let you know I am doing the test in the garage for a reason. Reason being, just so you can hear it better, so it does echo through the garage a little bit better, and it helps you get a better idea sound-wise which one you like. Obviously, I know it's going to translate differently on video, but I'm doing my best here to give you guys a good sound test. All right, so now let's test out the Coffman's Shorty. I'll start it up and just let it run, and then we'll do a rev test on this one too. right, guys, there you have it. Decide for yourself. I mean, two way different sounds. If you ask me, the sound on mine is more of like a rumble. On my brother's, it's the Coffman's is more like a kind of like a thrash. I don't know. Can't think of a good word. They are definitely two different sounding bikes. Drop a comment down below. Which one do you like better? And like I said, I hope this video helps you out if you're in the market of buying a new exhaust for your Rebel. I mean, the Rebel 300, 500, or 1100. These are both 1100s. So I hope this helps you out, guys. So guys, like I said, if you're in the market for buying a new exhaust for your Rebel 1100, I hope this video helps you out if you're deciding between these two. Can't go wrong with either one. Guys, if you have not subscribed, do me a favor, just hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. Keep riding a Honda, and I will talk to you on the next one. Peace.